guys, this is Haley from Crafty Wing 15. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a single crochet. I hope you enjoy. So how you do a single crochet is you take your magic ring and your hook, and I have 6 stitches in here, so I'm going to use 6 bands. So take your magic ring and put your hook into the first stitch, making sure you have 2 loops because each stitch has 2 loops here. I'm going to use different colors so you know what I'm doing. So take your first band, put it on your hook, pull it through your stitch, leaving the 3rd loop back here, and then put the other side of the band right there. And then you're going to pull the first loop through the 2nd and 3rd. And then you're going to go into your 2nd stitch, 2 loops, and take your next band, pull it through the 2 loops, also known as your stitch, put on the other side of the band onto your hook, and then slide the 1st through the 2nd and 3rd. We're going to do this 4 more times, so go into your 3rd stitch, take your next band, pull it through, put it on, and do your single crochet. And then you're going to go into the next stitch, get your next band, pull it through, put it back on, and then slide. So we're going to do 2 more, so go into your 5th stitch, take your band, pull it through, and put it on your hook, and then slide. So this is the last time, so put your hook into your stitch, take your last band, pull it through, put it on, and do your single crochet. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.